today, our hearts are overwhelming with joy and satisfactions. For now, we are here to gather the fruits of all the struggles we have through the years. To my fellow graduates, let us cherish this once-in-a-lifetime event, a small part of our journey, a precious one at that. May this day be a starting point as we enter a new chapter of our lives. Let me thank you for all the memories, the fights, the team efforts, the silence, the laughter, the tears, the photos, all of them. I don't think I would exchange it for anything else in the world. Before I let my emotions sweep me away, I would also like to acknowledge the undying support of our families, friends, and loved ones that have contributed immensely to our success and motivation that will take us further for years to come. I thank all of you. It is a good reason why they call these ceremonies commencement exercises. Graduation is not the end. It's only the beginning. And with